As I stand under the sky, walk amid the trees, I feel the beauty this world beholds. The journey has made me embrace the love of Mother Nature, feel every gift, renew my spirit, and embrace the present moment fully. I have learned to cherish every day and to find beauty in the simplest of things. Rain, my nature elder, has been my steadfast companion on this journey of self-discovery, and I'm grateful for its healing touch. With every rustling leaf and melodious pitter-patter, I feel my harsh thoughts diluted and worries fade away and replaced by profound sense of peace within. My great nature elder, a friend that never fails to lift my spirit and free my soul from anxiety's grasp. I have become a better person. This journey has guided me back to what truly matters and connected me with my nature elders. I am thankful for yellow versus blue. I'm thankful for the listening field. And as I continue on my journey, I will always treasure the moments I spent here. Thank you, my nature elder.